Hello everyone, welcome back to Oud channel. I'm Zahra and today I'm so excited to share with you guys some of our special gift sets from Oud Vietnam, and they're perfect for your beloved people, clients or business partners. Let's begin with the first gift set, which includes one box of Oud incense sticks OSA Triple Plus, one bottle of Oud essential oil OEA Double Plus 3 ml, and one bottle of Oud essential oil OEA Plus 3 ml, 120 grams of Oud wood chips grade 2 AOW2. This gift set is perfect for those who love the pure and calming scent of agarwood products, and is ideal for creating a serene and calming atmosphere. And with this set, we will support you like $50 of shipping fee, and you will receive a special gift worth $30, and we will support you and discount for you the price of the gift set from $620 to $542. And then the second gift set will include 100 grams of Oud wood chips grade 1 AOW1, our best selling product, one bottle of Oud essential oil OES 3 ml, 100 grams of Oud chunk grade 2 OCK1. This set is perfect for those who enjoy a rich combination of the agarwood chips with the essential oils, offering you a wonderful blend of deep and fresh aromas. And with this set, we are offering you a completely free shipping with a special gift worth $30, and the price will be discounted from $824 to $782. Our third gift set is a perfect choice for true lovers of agarwood chips, featuring 120 grams of Oud wood chips grade 1 AOW1, 120 grams of agarwood wood chips grade 1 OWC1, 120 grams of Oud chunk special grade UC. And with this set, we will support you completely free shipping and a special gift worth $60. Besides, we will give you a totally new product from the UC, a custom brand new Oud chunk worth $16, and the set will be discounted from $1166 to $1084. Additionally, Oud Vietnam is happy to customize the gift sets to fit the budget and the specific needs that based on our diverse ranges of the agarwood products that are available in our store, ensuring that you can find the perfect combination for any occasions. Especially now, Oud Vietnam is running a special promotion for AOW2 small size, and if you buy less than 500 grams, you will take 10% discount, and if you buy more than 500 grams, it will be 20% off. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you found this information about our special wood chips interesting, and if you have any questions about the products, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp number for the top quality products with the best price. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.